Hey everyone, Sarah from Easy English Club back with another British English lesson. Pronunciation help today, guys. British English pronunciation, letter H words. I've chose some advanced vocabulary, hemorrhage, hereditary, hiatus, and habitual. Hopefully you guys are okay with these big words. You can pause, fast forward, or watch this lesson as many times as you need to. Because if you tune in regularly, you know I speak at 1,000,000 miles an hour. So if you're just learning these pronunciations, you may need to pause it. All right, my lovelies. If I haven't asked you to already, give the video a thumbs up, please. It helps the channel, and I know if you find it useful. Thank you. Okay, back with the lesson. British English pronunciation help, advanced vocabulary, hemorrhage, hereditary, hiatus, and habitual. Don't forget to subscribe, and then you'll know when there's some more content, and you can hit that bell icon, which is up there or up there. First word, hemorrhage. 3 syllables, guys. It's an adjective. Okay, it means a great loss of something. Hemorrhage. Hemorrhage. As you know, British English pronunciation is all about the jaw, the teeth, tongue, and facial muscles. Hopefully your facial muscles will be aching, but not too bad by the time you've practiced these. Okay, guys. Hemorrhage. Hemorrhage. It's like a j sound on the end. J. Okay, great loss of something. Most times it's used to do with like a great loss of blood, but that's not a very pretty example. You can also hemorrhage money. I'll give you some example sentences. There was a serious accident. He cut his leg badly. He was hemorrhaging blood. Hemorrhaging blood. More worldly used example. The company went under. It was hemorrhaging money. Hope you got that. Say it back to me, guys. I'm a listening. Very good. Hemorrhage or hemorrhaging. I'll put it all down there in the subtitles for you guys so that you know how to pronounce these. Next word I've got for you is hereditary. Hereditary. 4 syllables. It's another adjective. Hereditary. Hereditary. Americans say, how do they say that? They say hereditary. We say, British English, hereditary. Hereditary. What this means, it's something that's handed down to you, kind of your genes or your hair colour. It can also mean like a title or like property. Example sentence. The man was stooped over, i.e. bent, stooped over. He had a hereditary illness. He had a hereditary illness. Repeat it back after me, guys. Then you can perfect your pronunciation. Hereditary. 4 syllables. Hereditary. Another example. Eyes, hair colour is hereditary from your parents, or hereditary from your parents. Okay, next one. I like this word. It's a noun. Hiatus. 3 syllables, guys. Hiatus. 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 Now, this means a pause or a gap, temporary in a process. Something, for example, the band had a hiatus and did not produce anything for 5 years. Like they were on a temporary vacation, temporary holiday. They took a temporary break, a hiatus. Another example, what can we say? If Sarah is on holiday, there will be a hiatus in English lessons. That's hiatus. I hope you guys can use these in your daily conversations. Instead of saying there's a pause or a gap, you can show your pronunciation and vocabulary skills and say there's a hiatus. Last one I've got for you guys is habitual. Habitual. 4 syllables. It's another adjective. Habitual. 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 What this means, it's like a habit. Habits become habitual. It's something that you do regularly. Something that you do regularly. Something that's usual and it's like constant. Example sentence. I read habitually every morning. Repeat that one back, guys. I read habitually in the mornings. It means I do it regularly. One more example to do with the office and kind of like business when you're at work. He was fired for his habitual lateness. Habitual. Okay, guys, that's it for today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't want to overwhelm you. Try and practice these 4-letter H words. Hemorrhage, hereditary, hiatus, and habitual. Thanks for your time, guys. Thumbs up, please, if you find it useful. Be sure to leave a comment, subscribe, and don't forget to come find us on the Easy English Facebook page. Join the group and you'll find all sorts of things to do with language, British English, England, and of course, big word vocabulary, because I love it. All right, my lovelies. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.